Less is more.
And to EzyConcept, the purest expression of minimalism is not only about creating flush-finished products, but how we can contribute to the aesthetic result of a project while providing simplicity in specification, installation, and ongoing maintenance.
Since launching the EzyConcept brand with immense global success, we have taken the next step of refinement by enhancing the distinguished clean lines that EzyConcept embodies in our branding.
We've united our entire offering under one bold and recognizable design to represent the minimalistic and modern appeal of our architectural finishing systems. EzyConcept are about being inventive and creative while remaining restrained and minimal. We're about bringing multiple materials together and creating clean lines for a seamless appeal. EzyConcept seeks innovative, clever, and smart solutions that provide stylish results, clean lines, and a flush finish. We are EzyConcept Architectural Finishing Systems.